Ever found yourself staring at a website promising a world of communication solutions, and you're just wondering, okay, but where's the number? I mean, a real phone number? You know, the kind you can give to your clients, the one that rings when someone dials? Specifically, I'm talking about 8x8 today. You've probably seen their ads, heard their name, but the burning question remains. Does 8x8 actually give you a phone number? It's a question that cuts to the heart of what we all expect from a business phone system. Isn't it? We're not just looking for fancy dashboards and integrated apps. We want that fundamental connection to the world, that direct line. And in today's digital age, where everything seems to exist in the cloud, it's easy to lose sight of that core functionality. So, let's dive deep, peel back the layers, and get to the bottom of this. Think about it for a second. Why do we need a phone number in the first place? It's more than just a sequence of digits. It's a lifeline. It's the bridge between you and your customers, your partners, your team. It's the sound of opportunity ringing, the confirmation of a deal, the reassurance of support. In a world where instant communication is king, that phone number is your kingdom's address. And with 8x8, a company that's been around for quite a while, promising a unified communications platform, you'd expect a straightforward answer. But sometimes the simplicity gets lost in the jargon. We hear terms like VoIP, Cloud PBX, virtual numbers, and suddenly we're swimming in a sea of acronyms. So let's break it down. Yes, 8x8 does provide phone numbers, but it's not just a simple yes or no. It's more nuanced than that. First and foremost, 8x8 is a cloud-based communications platform. This means that your phone number isn't tied to a physical phone line in your office. It's a virtual number, hosted in the cloud. This has significant advantages. Think about it: flexibility, scalability, and accessibility. You can access your phone number from anywhere, on any device, as long as you have an internet connection. Now, what kind of numbers are we talking about? 8x8 offers a range of options. You can get local numbers, toll-free numbers, and even international numbers. Local numbers give you that regional presence, allowing you to connect with customers in specific areas. Toll-free numbers, on the other hand, build credibility and make it easier for customers to reach you without incurring any charges. And international numbers? Well, they open up a whole new world of global opportunities. But here's where it gets interesting. 8x8 isn't just handing out random numbers. They understand the importance of branding and consistency. You can often port your existing phone numbers, meaning you don't have to change your contact information when you switch to 8x8. This is crucial for businesses that have built their reputation around a specific phone number. It's about maintaining continuity and trust. And it's not just about the number itself. 8x8 offers a suite of features that enhance the functionality of your phone number. Think about call routing, auto attendance, voicemail to email, and call analytics. These features transform your phone number from a simple point of contact to a powerful communication tool. Call routing, for instance, allows you to direct incoming calls to the right person or department, ensuring that your customers get the help they need quickly and efficiently. Auto attendants provide a professional greeting and guide callers through your phone system, streamlining the communication process. Voicemail to email allows you to access your voicemails from anywhere without having to dial in. And call analytics provide valuable insights into your call patterns, helping you to optimize your communication strategy. But let's address some of the common concerns. Some people worry about the reliability of VoIP phone numbers. They wonder what happens if the internet goes down. Will I lose my connection? 8x8 addresses these concerns with robust infrastructure and redundancy measures. They have multiple data centers and network connections, ensuring that your phone system remains operational even in the event of an outage. And they offer features like call forwarding, which allows you to redirect calls to your mobile phone or another number if your internet connection is unavailable. Another question that often comes up is about call quality. Some people have had negative experiences with VoIP calls in the past, citing issues like latency and dropped calls. 8x8 has invested heavily in its network infrastructure and call quality optimization. They use advanced codecs and quality of service (QoS) mechanisms to ensure clear and reliable calls. And they offer tools like network assessment and troubleshooting to help you identify and resolve any potential issues. Now, let's talk about the setup process. How easy is it to get a phone number with 8x8? The good news is that it's relatively straightforward. You can typically sign up for an account online, choose your preferred phone number, and configure your settings. 8x8 provides detailed documentation and support to guide you through the process. And if you need help, they offer a range of support options, including phone support, email support, and online chat. They also have a comprehensive knowledge base with articles and tutorials to help you get the most out of your phone system. But what about the cost? How much does it cost to get a phone number with 8x8? The pricing varies depending on the plan you choose and the features you need. 8x8 offers a range of plans to suit different business needs and budgets. It's important to compare the different plans and consider your specific requirements before making a decision. And remember, it's not just about the cost of the phone number itself. It's about the value you get from the entire communications platform. 8x8 offers a comprehensive suite of features that can help you improve your communication efficiency, enhance your customer service, and boost your bottom line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.